Hello, my friends. From reckless drivers causing catastrophic accidents to ignoring traffic signs or chaotic collisions caused by out-of-control trucks, it's all in today's video. Join us as we dive into real-life traffic accidents and discover the best ways to stay safe on the road. Buckle up and let's get started. A tow truck driver was on the road for 15 hours straight. He probably fell asleep at the wheel, and that mistake cost him everything. Not only did he lose his career, but he now faces criminal charges, has lost the trust of his family and friends, and may even be sentenced to death. This driver's car suddenly broke down in the middle of the road. He tried to signal to the cars behind him, but he was almost pushed into another accident. Luckily, everyone was safe. Oh my God, not again. Unbelievable. A motorcyclist kicked the car while speeding down Highway 14 in Santa Clarita, triggering a dangerous chain reaction that resulted in one person. What's more terrifying than a gas tanker catching fire? Having it happen right in the middle of a gas station. Wow, this man had an incredibly lucky escape. My leg. This was straight out of a movie. A car spun out of control and crashed into a highway stop. Oh my God, the black hole emerged out of nowhere, completely unexpectedly. What are you doing? Want to leave the gas station in style? This is the perfect example, but definitely don't try this at home. Making an emergency landing on a busy road is already terrifying, but having to land right next to a gas station takes the danger to another level. Oh no, they're about to crash into someone. One rule for a safe journey: Never stand in the way of giant vehicles when you're on the road. Someone should nominate him for the Luckiest Pedestrian of the Year award. Sometimes people are so caught up in their rush that they don't even notice what they've dropped, including their own car tire. This moment was pure chaos. Everyone was caught off guard. People often say your first car is just for practice, but Mel took it a step further and turned his into a window smashing machine. Around until the end of the video. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. We're committed to bringing you even more high quality and thrilling videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.